Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn how to draw a boat, and we will also learn a story related to this. So let's start. To learn the drawing of boat, we need a scale, we need pencil, we need eraser, and we will need pencil colors. Let's start. So, my first step is keep your paper this way and draw near the bottom of the paper a dotted line of 20 centimeter. Why we are drawing a dotted line? Because we will erase it later. Thin line of 20 centimeter. Now keep your scale like this, and below this from here 1 2 here, and from here 1 2. So next line we are drawing 16 centimeter. Join these two lines. Now around this, in the middle of the upper line, first we will find the midpoint. So 20, midpoint is 10. We will draw the curve. And same curve this side. So make the sail and erase the center line which we drew in dotted. Our boat is ready. I'm going to draw outline of the sail in green color. Pole, I'm making red color. Okay, now I'm going to make some design on the sail. I'm going to make a star, and here now I want to give red and blue and brown color here. Can you tell me boat is normally made of which material?
It's made of wood, ma'am.
Yes, it's made of wood. Correct. And which color is wood?
Brown.
Yes, very good. So outside they paint. Now I'm going to fill brown color here. And where is boat sailing? If you have a boat, where will you sail it?
I'm at the water bodies.
Water bodies. So which is the water body near your house? Is there any river? Is there any pond? Is there any tank?
I have a pond.
Oh, where?
Near the society gate, I have a duck pond.
Wow, it's so big that you can have a boat in it?
Yes.
Wow, that's good, amazing. So, our story's title is Hole in the Boat. Okay, so what happened, children? One day, a man was asked to paint a boat by the owner of the boat. So owner asked this man that you please paint my boat. He brought with him paint and brushes and began to paint the boat as the colors which owner told him. While he was painting, he realized that there is a hole. So what he did, he repaired the hole. He repaired the hole and painted on the top of it. And to cover it, he painted same design at many places. So this painter covered the hole and painted same design everywhere so that nobody will come to know that there was a hole. While he finished painting, he received his money and left. The next day, the owner of the boat came to the painter and presented him with a bag full of money. It was so much money that painter was surprised. He said, "You have already paid me for painting the boat. Why are you giving me extra money?" Then the owner of the boat said, "It's not for the painting work. It's for having repaired the hole in the boat." Ah, but it was such a small service, sir. I don't need money for it. It's not worth paying. Why are you paying me so much? Said the painter. Then owner said, dear friend, you will not understand how happy I am. What happened actually when I asked you to paint the boat, I forgot to mention about the hole. When the boat dried, my kids took the boat and went on a fishing trip. They did not know that there was a hole. I was not at home at that time, otherwise I would have stopped them. When I came to know that they have taken the boat and gone to the deep sea with the boat, I was worried. I was very desperate. I was worried about the safety of my children. Children, you tell me, what will happen if there is a hole in the boat?
Ma'am, it'll go inside and drown.
Water will go inside the boat, no? Will it sink or not?
Ma'am, it'll sink.
Yes, it will sink. So the owner of the boat was very tense. But after some time, his children came back happily. He asked them, what happened? How was your boat ride? They said it was fine. Everything was fine. Then he asked them, was there any water in the boat? They said no. Was there any hole in the boat? No. Then they found that this painter has repaired the boat. So the owner of the boat said, you have saved the life of my children. It's such a big service to me. So the painter said, sir, it's not worth paying me so much. It's nothing. I did my duty. So when I examined the boat and when I found that there is a hole, it was my duty to repair it. It's a small work which I did. So what do we learn from this story, children? No matter who, when or how, just continue to help. Help each other. If somebody is in trouble, just go and help. If somebody is crying, just go and wipe that person's tears and ask them what happened. Do you need any help?
Ma'am,
if somebody is thirsty, you tell them, give them water. Yes?
it's
Raj?
called as empathy.
It's called as
Empathy.
empathy. So you have to repair all the leaks we find in life. We have to repair them. And because we never know when one is in need of us or when God holds a pleasant surprise for us to be helpful and important to someone. Okay, so we should always help each other. Did you like the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Divyana is saying,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it was a nice story.
thank you. So will you help each other?
Yes.
We should always help others.
Yes,
Thank you,
ma'am.
children. Thank you for liking, subscribing and sharing my YouTube channel's information. Dhanyavad. Namaste.